File complaints about passenger vehicles, cars, SUVs, and PBV, police vehicle, of Kia Motors such as car insurance, spare parts, roadside assistance, and care service maintenance, AMC, including dealership, warranty, service, bookings, cancellations, refunds, finance, and vehicle support. Follow these steps and use the provided contact details of Kia. Kia Customer Support. Customer Care Number. Call the Kia Customer Support at toll-free number 1-800-10-85000 or 1-800-10-85005. Electric Vehicle. Email. Send an email to kiakare@kiandia.net or kiaconnect@kiandia.net. For concerns related to corporate bulk orders or deals, email to institutionalsales@kiandia.net. In the case of a mechanical electrical breakdown or a traffic accident with a Kia car, 24/7 on-road assistance, dial 1-800-10-85000 for help. You can also contact your local dealer to raise your concerns regarding vehicle services or maintenance. Steps to file an online complaint. Visit the official Kia India website, kia.com. Navigate to the Customer Support or Contact Us section. Fill out the online complaint form by providing necessary details such as your name, contact information, vehicle details, and a description of the issue. Submit the form. Finally, note the ticket or reference number for future tracking. You can also use Kia Connect mobile app to get access of online vehicle services. Escalation to head office. If the issue is not resolved by customer service team or regional dealers, escalate it to the head of customer service or nodal officer at Kia India's head office. You can write a complaint letter including all previous correspondence and reference numbers and send it here. Email kiakare@kiandia.net. Address: Nodal Officer, Head Office, Kia India Private Limited, 16th floor, 2 Horizon Center, Golf Course Road, DLF Phaseway, Sector 43, Gurugram, 12202 Haryana. Remember to keep all communication records as they may be required for further escalation or legal proceedings. If you are dissatisfied with the final resolution or your consumer rights are violated by Kia Motors, you may approach the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, or file a formal consumer complaint to the State District Consumer Commission. Tips: for vehicle insurance disputes, you may complain to the respective insurance company and further to the insurance ombudsman. Still, have questions? Ask by replying to us. We will help you.